Hey guys, Richard here. So welcome to week 4 of the 180-day challenge, which is where I build a real affiliate marketing business week by week, and you can come along and see exactly how I'm building out this business. So this is a real honest affiliate marketing business. There's no kind of gadgets here, no kind of silly software to drive traffic. This is a real honest way that you can actually build a business yourself. So if you haven't been over to any of this playlist before, start from the beginning, go through the playlist, because each week I've gone through various things about how I pick my niche and understand what I'm going to do for the business. I actually show you how to do that using ChatGPT. Then you can come along and see how I'm actually starting to build out my website. And this week is more about actually starting to build out the content for the website and then figure out how I'm actually going to drive traffic to affiliate offers. Now, basically what I'm doing is I'm following this action plan. You see a link in the description below. Jump over to this action plan and you can start having a look at this and see for yourself how much detail this action plan is that you can go ahead and follow. This is taking action online, and click for click this will show you every single thing you need to know tells you how to build a real business online, whether it be blogging, whether it be YouTube, whether it be social media. Everything is included in here. So basically what I've done is I've gone through all of these modules so far, which is pretty much how to pick your niche, how to actually start building your website, and all of the various things you need to do there. There's a lot of complex things that he shows you in here that, quite honestly, if I was left to do it myself, I wouldn't know. Really good training here. Choose your path to success. I'm using YouTube primarily, but I have been kind of looking at blogging at the moment as well, which is why there's a little bit of a gap between this and the last video, because I've been looking at various things as far as blogging is concerned. How to understand how I'm actually going to have my optimized conversion, so a little bit more information on around the website, and then what I'm going to use for a lead magnet, which is something I'm still to do. So basically this is the training I've been going through. Once you finish this training, there's also the Marketing Academy, which I'm going to start taking you through in future videos, which is a lot more detail about how you can start monetizing and really making big strides in your business. So this is the training I'm actually doing. I'm keeping myself accountable using this action plan progress tracker. So you see all of the things I'm ticking on here is what I've done so far, and the idea this week is just to kind of show you an update of where I am basically. So just in summary, this is what I'm trying to do with the business. I'm going to use AppSumo as the main source of products I'm actually going to earn commissions on. If you haven't heard of AppSumo, look at this channel. You'll see a video in there to explain what AppSumo is all about. It's where a lot of software gets put on there, and you can get big discounts, lifetime discounts on AppSumo. But you can also be an affiliate for those products. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pick products in AppSumo, and I'm going to do one or two things. I'm going to do some YouTube videos on them, depending if I can do a quick YouTube video to explain what that product is. And I'm also going to do, in some cases, a blog on them. So I have some software I'm using to generate a blog that I can actually use as a foundation to actually build out our blog and make it into a really nice review. And I've started to kind of play around with that over the last couple of weeks. So this is the kind of way I'm going to drive traffic, and the idea is through these YouTube views and through these blogs, they're going to come through my affiliate links back to AppSumo, purchase. And the great thing about AppSumo is once they do purchase, they kind of get cookied, and anything they purchase in the future, you also get a little bit of commission on that. So that's the way that I'm actually going to make money with this. So what I've done so far is I've built out the YouTube channel. You'll see a couple of videos here. There is more that I've actually done that are in draft at the moment. I'm ready to edit and actually put on here. So next time you watch this, there'll be a few more videos in here. And the second thing I've done is I've actually built out the site. Now the site was very plain in the last video, and what I've actually done is built out the menus, added a few logos. You'll see menus top and bottom here of all of my various pages that you need to have, which is why that training is so invaluable, because it shows you how to actually build this site. And then I built a couple of blogs out. So one is for a product called ClickUp. And remember, my niche, if you haven't watched the previous videos, is around business software, hence the Biz Software Reviews title. It's around more businessy type software. So this is a productivity type team application where you can have lots of different team applications in here, and basically I've done a review of that and put that up there. And then you'll see that I've also done one of a AppSumo product called TidyCal, which is a calendar which you can have all your different calendars will come into one interface, and you can make bookings and you can actually handle your day-to-day activity from one calendar. Again, what I've been doing over the last couple of weeks is figuring out how I can format this nicely, and then once I've got this now, all I need to do is copy and paste this over for the next actual post that I do, which is, funny enough, I'm in the middle of actually doing now. I've got a rough copy of it here, and I can actually just generate blog posts and I've already noticed that some of these are starting to rank, right? This all takes time. So I'm not expecting any kind of traffic or sales off these yet, any kind of substantial ones, although I know I'm getting some clicks on this because I can see in my affiliate reports that I'm getting clicks, but it's all about building up that content to start with. Now, basically, these are very simple, very simple reviews. All I'm doing is telling people about the product. Nothing too in-depth there. I just tell them how good it is, what you can do with it, the features, the prices, and then you actually post that, and over time that'll rank and you might start getting some sales off it. So the idea is over the next couple of weeks, I'm actually just going to continue to build up this content. So the next time you see this, there'll be more reviews on here, there'll be more videos on here, and I'm just going to concentrate on the content to start with. Over time, I can make that website look much nicer. At the moment, it's very plain. I've only got very plain pieces here. The About Me pages and the contact pages. There's not much to them, and I've not really got anything to actually give to people at the moment as far as a lead magnet to kind of build up my business by collecting email addresses as well. All of that is to come. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and watch the videos after this. Subscribe to this playlist because you'll see how over time I start building this all up. My other channel, School of Nomads, which you're on now, it's got 9,000 subscribers. I've got about 3,000 email subscribers. I take some off occasionally. I make good money off that channel. I know this is going to work. It's just going to take a bit of time to build up, which is why a lot of people quit, to be honest. A lot of people decided they don't want to spend this much time building content when you don't get the instant money. But the idea is, guys, you're supposed to be able to build up this content over time, start looking at your stats, adjust, and then you'll start seeing those commissions come in. So that's the update for this week, guys. It's all about building out that content. Ignore any of the stats, the traffic, the commissions. All I want to do is start bringing some value, and then once I bring that value and people start reading that content on a regular basis, you will start seeing I will get some commissions, and then I'll show you once I do. If you're interested in building a business like this, hit the link in the description below over to School of Nomads. You'll see there's completely free training for you there. It'll take you through taking action online, and that's really going to help you build a real business online because there's so much detail in there. It's really easy to follow, and I urge you, if you're really serious and you want to build an honest business, go ahead and check out Taking Action Online. Until next time, guys, take care.